Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this can inspire somebody like it did you, and very, very kind of you.
Yeah.
We're thrilled to have you today. If you wouldn't mind sharing your story with everybody, what brings you to us today?
So I've always wanted to get my hairline lowered. So I've been doing research for like over a year trying to find anyone that can do this procedure for me, and I came across Natural Hair Transplant. I really liked the results that I was seeing from other patients, and ultimately I just wanted to go with a facility I can trust, and here I am.
Awesome.
So.
Oh, we love having you.
Yeah,
Well, that's so
thank
fantastic.
you.
I'm going to have Ron zoom in just a little bit here. So you sort of have always felt you've had a high forehead.
Yes.
And we've had a little bit of recession here, maybe some androgenic, maybe some traction, maybe a little bit of both. We'll drop the forehead down to kind of where you want it to be, and we're gonna. She typically wears a wig, or oftentimes, so we're gonna put that on and sort of see where it lands, and then we'll likely fill in this to some degree to make it a little bit more full, and then bring it down to give us our 30 to 40% in the new transplanted area. And you have tremendous hair. I'm very excited. This is gonna be great. Thank you. This is great.
Yeah.
We'll draw a little bit out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in with you in a little while.
Sounds
Okay?
good.
All right.
Thank
See you in a
you.
little bit. All right, we are back, and as you can tell, we have drawn out our line, and we sort of fine-tuned it so all of us would be happy. Got rid of the large forehead, so that's sort of the goal number one. And then we drew out the rest, brought it back to where we're thinning to kind of reinforce the thinning areas as well too. So all of us are happy, and we drew out the where we're going to make the incision in the back. One Valium on board. How you feel?
Feel good.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Excellent. We're very excited. We're getting ready to roll, and we'll check back in with you in a little while later, okay?
Awesome.
All right,
Sounds
excellent.
good.
See you in a little bit. We are approaching the finish line, maybe like 10 minutes left. How you feel?
I feel good.
Doing okay? You got your headphones in? Watched the half a movie earlier, had some lunch. I'm really happy with the way it looks. See, Ron and Kenza are just putting the finishing touches on, and you look comfortable. You any pain at all?
No.
Okay, great. We will check in with you in a little bit. All right, congratulations. It's a long day. You had a Percocet, so you're looking a little sleepy. But overall, how did the day go? And be honest. You don't have to sugarcoat it. Give me the good and the bad.
It went well. I would say the first part was probably the toughest.
Mm-hmm.
And then afterwards, just the pain and towards the back.
Yeah.
It's just right about it, but everything else was pretty smooth.
Good, excellent. And you did great with the shots. There was no screaming from the room.
Yeah.
We didn't hear any cuss words, so you did fantastic. I am thrilled with how this turned out. I wish we could just fast forward 12 months, but I'm going to zoom in so we can see the placement here. And it's a nice natural look on you. We really piled in the grass on the front and on the sides. It looks nice and natural. Filled it all in, which I really like. I'm going to zoom around here. Incision in the back, and that's going to blend in without too much of an issue eventually. That looks really nice. I love it. Thank you so much for doing this. This is fantastic. Welcome to the family. Any words of advice or encouragement, people that are out there kind of wandering around and shopping around, and anything that you can sort of advise them now that you've been through it?
Yeah, I think natural hair transplant is definitely the place to come. I really like the staff, and obviously you're a great doc, so I would recommend anybody to come here.
Awesome. Thank you so much for you didn't have to say that, but appreciate it anyway.
It's the truth,
we will keep posted with you. I will call you tomorrow to check on you, and then we usually check in with you at 1 month, 4 months, 9 months, and a year. So we'll keep tabs on you real close, and hopefully we can, as the year goes on, kind of see this come in and get hopefully at a year, everybody will be happy.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thanks again for sharing your story with us, and we'll talk to you soon.
All right.
All right. Take care.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.